Greetings and welcome to today another exciting Microsoft Excel video. Today we are going to cover VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP in Microsoft Excel. But before we proceed, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button so that you will be quickly notified whenever we drop a new video. This is the only way you can help me grow. Thank you. Now let's quickly dive in. VLOOKUP and the HLOOKUP is vertical and horizontal lookup for function. This function helps you to extract a data from a resource table. Now we have a source table here and we have a smaller table now where we can only find our data we are looking for. Now VLOOKUP, we can compose it manually. We can also find it in insert function. Let's quickly start. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please. Equal sign, VLOOKUP. So now what are you looking for? We want to look out for this store number in this resource table and we want to find the state that has this store number. Now we use the VLOOKUP from this particular source table. This is the table tray. Now you select the store number from this smaller table that we are looking it up for, comma. Now the table tray, that's the resource table, the source table that where you want to find the particular thing you are looking for to get your result. You select that source table, comma. Now the column index number is the next thing you are going to look out. Now in this source table now, we have column A as column 1 with the index number 1. We have column B with the index number 2. What are we looking up for? This particular state that has this store number. Now, the index number we are locating for here now is index number 2 because it's in column B number 2. You type 2. Now, the next thing is you are going to find the logical value, whether true or false. But because we are looking for exact match, is false. But if you are looking for close value, it can be true. So because you are typing it, you place your false value inside double quotation. And you close your parentheses, enter. So automatically the result is displayed. It's in California. San Fran. This is it now. The particular state is CA. If you look out for this, so you will get it. It's CA. So what next to do? Look at it. So the particular table that has this number is California. You can easily lock it up for you to able to copy the formula to another place, or you can use paste special to copy the formula to extend the formula to the other column. So holding down your shift key and 4 with the dollar sign, lock it up as quick as possible. So when you've locked it up, you can quickly flash fill to the other column. It's now giving you the same result. But we'll be under city. The index number we are looking for is different from the index number here we have on California. Here, state. So the index number will be, if you check it, is the third column, C. Now, the index number will be 3. Press enter. So it's Los Angeles. The index number for this is 8. Change in cells, 8. Enter. So this is your table. You quickly flash fill. So this is the result of what you are looking for. The use of VLOOKUP. You quickly extract the particular result or particular result of what you are looking for, what you wanted for the table. Now, what if the table has been replaced and is now in row pattern, no longer in column pattern? For example, we have it now, the same table, but have been rearranged. You use the horizontal part of lookup to look it up, HLOOKUP. Now, we want to find this particular state, a particular state with this store number now, HLOOKUP. I use manual method in typing it. Let's quickly do it from here now, insert function. So you search for HLOOKUP. So you search for it. Now, You look up for the value. What value are you looking up for? You are looking for the store number, the state that has this particular store number. So when you select it, the tray value is the source table that you are working with. Position your cursor there, locate your source table that you are working with, and select them all. Now, the row index number for that particular table. Now, the row index number, we have row 1, but don't be confused with this serial number, Excel serial number that indicates the row. Don't be confused. Just focus on your table while you are looking for HLOOKUP. You are working with HLOOKUP function or the function argument of HLOOKUP. Now, the store number is row 1, state is row 2. Now, you select it. The index number here is 2. Now, because you are looking for the exact value, the logical value here will be false. You click on OK. You now see you can easily locate it here now. Quickly lock up the whole value so that you can copy the formula to the next column or the next row. So once you've locked it up, so the next thing to do is to copy the formula from here to the next one now, and change the index number. For the second row, we have the city, third row. Quickly change the index number, enter. The next one is the 8th row, press enter. So you can look, flash fill to get your result. So this is what you needed now for the H lookup and the V lookup. This is what makes your data analysis, Excel usage, Excel manipulation easier for you. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please. Please hit the bell button to be notified whenever I drop a new video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.